Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about dressing for the occasion. And I want to talk about it in a way that we want to, create our reality and how we can manifest our reality. If you do not know who I am, my name is Amber Turner, and I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit, with outfit being the metaphor for your life and experience. I'm also the CEO of Girl Censored, and Girl Censored is a women's apparel line, and we believe in being loud, being bold, and being confident girlfriends. So if you would like to learn more about that, definitely check out the link below. It's at girlcensored.com, and I'm also going to leave the link below for my book as well. So in this video, I want to talk about dressing for the occasion. A lot of times we want to manifest a certain reality. We want to create our dream life, right? And it can be hard because if our present reality is like the reflection of something that we don't want, it's hard to be able to be in a space of wanting to manifest something that we do want, because all we see is things that we don't want, and that is hard. And I know, like, for me, I was in a place where I was like moving and chasing and running away from things because I thought that was going to help me create the reality that I wanted for myself. So I was always running. I was always chasing. I was running away from things. I never dealt with things. But at the end of the day, I had to realize that chasing was not going to help me. It's not going to help me, because when you're creating your reality, it's about choosing your outfit. So oftentimes when it comes to wanting to create a certain reality for ourselves, we are running, chasing, seeking, looking, all those things, right? But when it comes down to it, it comes down to yourself, changing yourself, choosing the outfit for yourself, and the occasion will appear. And that's how you have to think. Because I know for me, I was chasing things and I was like, well, if I want this certain reality for myself, I need to be here or I need to be there. But instead, I really just needed to change my outfit, me, who I was, in order for that to be manifested in my reality. Because guess what? If you are, whatever you are, whatever you're dealing with, it's just going to follow you wherever you go. So you have to deal with yourself. All the work is on yourself and not outwards. When you choose your outfit, the occasion will appear. So when you do the work, on yourself, all of the things that you want for yourself are going to show up in your reality. So going, chasing, running away from things, that's not how you're going to create the amazing life that you want for yourself. It's about you and changing yourself and doing the inner work, and the occasion will appear. And this is not something that is new. I've seen it a lot. I've seen it in my own life where I was running away, chasing, and thinking that that's going to change my life, when really I was just running away from myself, and that I needed to change my outfit. And guess what? The occasion would have appeared if I just did the inner work and changed my outfit. And it's about doing the work, because the work is where you're going to see the occasion appear. You hear what I'm saying? I mean, obviously I talk in metaphors, but I think you understand what I'm saying. Whatever you see for your life, whether it's like, even with your career, people are like, if I just move to this place, I will have the dream career, I'll have an amazing life. But sometimes whatever your block is, whatever is holding you back from your greatness, you got to do the inner work. Because if you don't do the inner work and you just take it to another place, it's still going to be an issue. If you have money issues and you think that it's because you live in a certain area, or it's because of this, or it's because of that, and then you're like, well, I need to change some circumstances, but you're not doing the inner work, guess what? It's just going to follow you wherever you go. So if you change your outfit, you do the inner work, guess what? The occasion will appear, whatever that is for you. And that, my friends, is important. So I just wanted to share that. I hope it wasn't too all over the place. But anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I do videos on business, life, and everything in between. And that's all for this video, and I will check you guys in the next video. Peace.